It's okay, you can ride.
No, I cannot.
It's okay, it's okay. You can enjoy. He's so scared. Okay, no need. Yeah, sit down, sit down.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Hold the box, sit down.
Oh yeah, I just got the new shoes. Here I got my t-shirt here. And then this one I got shoes and I got t-shirt also. All I got. Thank you, babe. Sander got the toys. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, here in Mitsui. So I didn't get the chance to take videos because we came here late. So yeah, that's it. So I'll show you a bit. Here we had here the body shop again. And then see, had to go 2,000. Go, I mean, what was that? Go 2,000. I mean, see, and yeah, they have all this. If you came here without money, you're gonna see all the bags. See all the bags. And it's like 99 ringgit, and it's like authenticate, or you know. So I really like this clothes. So okay, so we have this here, the cookies, the famous. I really like the cookies here, so I think they're closed already.
Oh, close already.
They're closed already, love. How? Uh-oh.
We go there, we go there, we go different shop.
Okay, what you doing, love? What are you doing? Uy, what are you doing? Sander. San. You have to open it properly. Open it properly, please. You have to open it properly. What you got? What you got? Wow, slowly, slowly.
Oh, babe, this one, okay, come. I put together, come. Come here, put here, put here, put here.
You have no clothes, babe.
Here, put here. Don't make a mess, later cannot fit.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one. This one is the what? Okay, first. The second. Okay, this one. This one. This one, the long one. Wait.
What's that?
Banana.
Banana. So cute. Get the small banana. See how? You think you can play this one? You sure? Sander, say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, good job.
Garbage.
Welcome. 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 Grabe eh. Yeah, welcome back, guys. So I'm back. So I'm just gonna do cut and put together the Mr. DIY shop. So we went to Mr. DIY and then we went to Mitsui again. And so I'm gonna show you what we got from Mitsui. We have all this. It's not a sponsor. Charot! So it's not a sponsor, guys. I'm just gonna show you what we got. We got this one. And I got this one. I really like their clothes, guys. And then other box here is like a bit big. So, yeah. I got some stuff. So first, I'll show you in this paper bag what I got. I got my t-shirt. So we got this one. Got this t-shirt, and then it's really nice the back. So yeah, actually this is for men, but I like the color and the style. So, and then it's excuse me, 149 ringgit for two. One for my husband, one for me. So yeah, two. This one for me, and this one is for my husband. I like this one, but you know, see, this is for my husband. So that was for one I'm sorry about my lightning. So I think that's okay like that. And then I'm gonna show you what I got from here. This is the Disney emoji or emoji Disney emoji. It's really nice, the packaging, see, like that. And then I just gonna broken the thing. My goodness, really hard to take it off. So yeah, I got this. I really like. Last time I buy one piece and then I wear it already, and then I like it. So when we went there again, I have to get it like this. This is like a t-shirt. So I got two again. So we got just toy for my son, and I got this. I kind of like it because it's like music there. So listening to music. So white, I like it. So that was for the other, and then I'm gonna open, show you what's inside this bag. So I got this one. No, because so yeah, this is the one. Ang laki ng eyebags ko, sorry. Excuse. So twist to active and place shoes or anywhere. So yeah, we have to get this one because my son, his feet got smell. Because last time he was playing the drink, and then it fell down. It fell. How to English that one? Spell it, or he make a miss, and then it goes into his shoes. So all of his socks was wet, and then his shoes was wet. We have no choice because we were at the mall and the restaurant, so we don't bring any extra sleeper. So that's why we have to get this one to put in his shoes. And also my husband, his shoes get smell. He should get. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's nice, babe. I like. And then I got this one here. This one. So I'll show you. I really like. Oh no, this is not mine. Anyway, this is for my husband. It's his. See, got this sleeper. So yeah, he wants to try. That's why I tell him don't get it because I have to take a hole and make a hole. So this one is, I don't know how much is it, but yeah, this is his sleeper. So actually, I bought shoes. But if you buy another pair, so you can get like 20% off. So he asked me to get shoes and sleepers, so it's very unfair, you know. So I just tell him, just get your sleeper, I get my shoes. So he was thinking about it. He said, oh, let me see. So finally I tell him this is nice, I like it. That's the color, and it's really nice in his feet because his feet like a baby feet. So yeah, he got this one for himself. And then I got mine here in this box, and it's really nice. I think this is like new arrival. So yeah, So this is this one for running or for gym. I really need to start going to gym, guys. So yeah, I get this one. So it's like really nice. Look. So I trying to show you the shoes. So we still have this one. So it's inside. It's very comfortable, and then it's like really like, yeah, it's very comfortable. So then you can see like that. So it's very good to wear for jogging or for gym. Go to the gym. So yeah,
Johnny, yes, Mama.
dual light. So yeah, that's it. The other pair is here.
Yes, Mama. Mom, go ahead. Johnny. Yes, Mama.
Alright, I think that's it, guys, for this haul. And I think I will see you again on my next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.